my wife want to do all this professionally, and we got a lot of things that went wrong. I'm sure if y'all made videos, something went wrong, and when I asked her that we had the engine in the video, what we built it, and all the technical screw-ups we had, and she said, no, I didn't think you, well, everybody got the real true issues of it. She's gonna show you from step one, because she called the S10 and that motor that came out of that Silverado, the 305, when we redid it and put the stroke of 383 in there. That motor was laying around, we had that S10, and she asked me, why don't you put it in that and call it the step kid. She didn't even want it in this portion of the garage, take it out back on the patio. And that's what we did. And what we're gonna do is show all the things, the real deals, because I see a lot of things on YouTube that they skip. We're not gonna skip how this project started. It started with trial and error when she told me to build a step kid. I don't want my S10 to be called a step kid. I love that truck. That truck loves me. She likes that Silverado. She look at it, that's her baby. That's my baby out back. That's it out there. But anyway, as this video goes on, we're gonna show all the trial and tribulation, knocking the freeze plugs out, the deal that go around the back of the crank that hold that seal in, hit it a little too hard, knocked the piece off, and she said, well, if you put a new one in the hole, I said, okay, baby, I put it in. So we kept rolling right along. So the S10 don't have no leaks with that 305 engine. I didn't like that small horn, you know, with the little legs stick out. So I told her I was familiar with the old horn, with the beads on it, put it down the block. And she kept looking on YouTube, looking at here and there, and she ordered one, and I got it, and that horn, oiled it and put it in that block. It cleans it up really good. You'll see in some of the videos how good that block looks. And that 305, that's the reason I believe in Chevrolet products. I really believe in Chevrolet products, because I don't know how many miles it had no ring groove, no nothing. The bearings, crank bearings, the cam bearings, main bearings, I guess, you know, I call stuff the wrong way, but y'all look over that, I told you that before, but we put all that in, but nothing was, whoa, that bad, and it had a couple of 100,000 miles on it. One in the neighborhood over there. Everybody cutting the yard, you didn't hear about that hurricane coming up through Florida, be coming up through Arkansas, everybody cutting this thing. I already cut my yard. Anyway, we're gonna let this go as it is and show you some of the things we did on the engine before we started off at the very beginning. I thought she had put that on there, but she told me, I don't want to show all the mistakes. I want the mistakes. I want everything. The real deal, you can only learn from mistakes. Like bad boy Jessie James said, I'm gonna let her show the rest of the video. Thank you. Peace. Here we go, like Michael Jackson. And this is it. Well, I thought it was it. Maybe I lied, but here we go again, building this 305. I'm not gonna tell you what it's gonna go in, but here we go. Piston, peace, catch you later. Bad boy Jessie James said that. Oh shit! I just thought about. That's
You meant
probably brass.
Oh, sheep.
Oh sheep, that's brass.
Never mind, we'll be back.
Freeze plugs out. You can show them what the freeze.
We're not going to freeze plugs out.
Oh! What is it like that? Wait a minute. Like magic, presto.
That's it, you got that sheep out of there.
What kind of sheep was that?
Now we're going to put one in.
Yeah. You can hook that eel light back up. Go.
I can, but we're rolling.
Well, you should have said the video and you put it up in there.
I did. We're rolling.
And there she go. There she go.
Don't be hating on that engine because it's so pretty. Bye.
That boy Jessie James, the back seal to your main crank. Knock that little piece off. My wife Arlette said, that doesn't matter, put it back in. It will work. So we're gonna put it back in, and this is, here we go again. I'm gonna name this Arlette's Shop. Catch you later, peace, bye. Surprise! This is my new dip, and this is my way of getting the bearing on. My wife let me use her oven to heat the bearings, and hopefully this will work. And we just heat them in this foil paper, and hopefully they'll drop right on. And they did not. Didn't work. Holy stuff. Just about there. That's flush. What? Oh, that's bad boy, Jessie James. That didn't go as well as planned, but like I always say, I got it on. Peace, bye. You waving for me to start the video. This is the way it is. We showing all the bloopers, everything we did, trying to put this together. If you really want me to show this Horner, this is one of the best. I don't see these around that much no more, but these is one of the best. If you can get your hands on one of these, one of the best ones you can use to run down through that block, put it in your drill, oil it real good, keep plenty of oil, and it will horn the heck out of it, just like she said. Just like I said, oh shit, no sheep, oh sheep, this will do a good job, This end of the video, I hope it kind of explained a lot of things about, the trials and areas, but I kind of liked this job we did on this S10, the step kid, better than any other truck we did. But this is the main thing. We had a few blips on getting the bearings on. But as you can see, after that, putting them bearings on that Detroit locker on that deal, I said, never again. I went and bought me a shop press. And from here on out, we're kind of going to do things different. But anyways, that's the way things is. We're going to close this video. I hope everybody enjoyed this one, because this was the real deal. That boy Jessie James said that. Hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you later. Peace. Bye.